Hello, my name is Amy Chevalier. I'm 25 years old. I'm working at Château Cheval Blanc in Saint-Émilion. For me, cooking will tend to less ecological impact and more natural flavor.
Hi, my name is Maxime Fabregat. I'm 29 and I'm working at Skiff Club Lanson at Pilat-sur-Mer. For me, cooking of today is a mix of yesterday and tomorrow.
Hello, my name is Nino Charles. I'm 21 years old. Actually, I work in Haute and Fresh in Bordeaux. For me, sustainable cooking means using local products to take you beyond.
Hello, my name is Jérôme Baudouin. I am chef and culinary technology trainer at Campus Du Lac in Bordeaux. Today, I am involved in the project Future in our kitchen with 3 students.
The first step is shelling the peas. You have to remove all the peas from the shell. After that, you have to wash and cut all the vegetable. You will have to rinse it carefully because you will have some dirt on it. Use a mandolin to have very fine slice. Bring to boil half liters of water for 1 kilo of peas. Don't forget to salt your water. Put your peas in the water and cover it with a baking paper. Then, put it on a low heat. At the same time, prepare your water to blanch your vegetable. Add some salt to give flavor to your vegetable. On the side, prepare a tray full of ice and water. It will help to stop the cook. For the cooking of the asparagus, it has to be quick to keep them nice and firm. Don't forget to put them in the ice straight after it. Meanwhile, your partner can also prepare all the decoration. Remove the small germ from the top of the asparagus. Cut the flowers and keep them under moistened paper towel. After that, you can also blanch your carrots, peas, and other green vegetable. After cooking, put the vegetable in the ice to keep them firm. When the peas are done to be cooked, put them in the food processor to be mixed. During the process of mixing, add the verbena oil. Don't forget to check the consistency and if it's well seasoned. Use a Chinese cloth and a ladle to have a very fine consistency. Don't forget, blanch the other vegetable. Right after the Chinese cloth, add to your mixture the gelatin sheets. Stir it well and check if there are not any sign of gelatin left inside the mixture. Let it cool until the mixture is frozen. Meanwhile, prepare a bucket full of ice and water. It will help the cream to be whipped. Soon after the mixture is frozen, whisk it and add slowly the whipped cream. Be sure the mixture is homogeneous. All your vegetables need to be in fresh water to keep them firm and fresh. Use a brush with oil to make them nice and shiny. Fill the pastry bag with the mixture. Then fill the cookie cutter right into the plate. Then fill the cookie cutter right into the plate. Start the dressing of your plate. Don't forget to put sea salt rock on each vegetable. At the end, use a salad dressing composed with only lemon juice and olive oil. And there it is, your plate is finally done.
Goodbye, see you next time!